Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The MACD's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 1.3% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.8% during the session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Spot gold and silver prices are holding on to modest gains in a quiet trading session as US markets are closed for Independence Day. The yen nudged up but remained vulnerable to more weakness, hovering near the key 145 per dollar level as markets were on alert for signs of intervention, while the Australian dollar moved up ahead of a central bank policy decision. Bitcoin ATM operator Bitcoin Depot launched on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, making it the first US company of its kind to go public. The company, one of the largest Bitcoin ATM operators in the country, last week announced its merger with blank check company GSR2 Meteora.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US factory orders will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US MBA mortgage applications at 1100 hours GMT. The Eurozone's producer price index at 0900 hours GMT. The French industrial output will be released at 0645 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0100 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's foreign bond investment at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.